Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Whisk eggs, water, salt and pepper. Spray 8-inch, 20 cm, non-stick skillet with cooking spray. When eggs are almost set on surface but still look moist, cover half of omelette with filling. Cook for a minute, then slide omelette onto plate. Nutrients per serving as per without filling.
Let's help you make your mark.
Well, you don't really need to flip an omelette in order to cook it through. Prepare your omelette mixture in a bowl. One like to use eggs, a tiny splash of milk and shredded cheese. Heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Beat the eggs. Use 2 or 3 eggs per omelette, depending on how hungry you are. Beat the eggs lightly with a fork. Melt the butter. Use an 8-inch non-stick skillet for a 2-egg omelette, a 9-inch skillet for 3 eggs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.